My brothers and sisters, why is it that when Ramadan arrives, something inside us shifts? The same world, the same problems, the same responsibilities, yet suddenly the heart feels softer, more aware, more alive. Why does this month feel different? All year long, we are distracted, chasing goals, deadlines, approval. We tell ourselves we are too busy, too tired, too overwhelmed. Our prayers become rushed. Our Quran gathers dust. Our dhikr becomes rare. And slowly, the heart hardens. We drift without even realizing how far we have gone. Then Ramadan comes, and it feels like a wake-up call, as if Allah is gently saying, "Come back to me." Allah says in the Quran, "O you who believe, fasting has been prescribed for you so that you may attain taqwa." Not hunger, not thirst, but taqwa, consciousness, awareness, closeness. Ramadan is not about food, it is about the soul. The Prophet ﷺ taught us that in Ramadan, the gates of mercy are opened, the gates of jannah are opened, and the gates of hellfire are closed. It is as if the entire creation is supporting your return to Allah. For 11 months, we feed the body. For one sacred month, we feed the heart. When you fast, you feel your weakness. You realize how dependent you truly are, and that humility softens you. You stand in prayer at night, even when you were once too tired. You open the Quran, even if you had neglected it. You give charity, even if you were attached to wealth. Ramadan retrains the heart to detach from dunya and reattach to Allah. And remember this, Allah does not need your fasting. You need it. This month is not a burden. It is a mercy, a reset, a purification, a chance to rewrite your story. The Prophet ﷺ increased in worship during Ramadan. He stood longer in prayer. He recited more Quran. He gave more charity. But above all, he focused on sincerity. It was never about showing others. It was about connection. Start small. Guard your 5 daily prayers. Read even a few verses each day. Make sincere dua before iftar. Give something in charity, even if it seems small. Consistency with sincerity transforms the heart. Perhaps Ramadan is not just a month. It is an invitation. An invitation to return, to realign, to reconnect. So do not let it pass like any other season. Let this Ramadan change you and carry its light long after the crescent moon fades.